Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the signal lights on VW Golf Mk4.
When your signal lights are bad, it will start flashing faster than usual on your dashboard. As you can see here, check this out. To find out which one is bad, just leave it on and go around the car.
Okay, without further ado, let's get started. First I'm going to remove the battery. You don't have to do that, but I will do it for the sake of recording so you can better see what I'm doing inside. Now we're set. First we need to remove the dust shield from our headlight so we can access the light bulb itself. Now we need to find out which light is the signal light. That's pretty simple. Usually it's colored in yellow. So basically you just stand in front of the headlight and check for the yellow color and you will know which bulb is the light bulb. So let's go ahead and try to remove it. I will try to show you from inside what it looks like, if I'm able to do so. Okay, so to remove it, you just need to twist it on one side and pull it out, like so. Just push down, twist, and pull out. So basically, like this. Okay. So you can see it's pretty corroded, and probably that's the reason why it has gone bad. There's a new one. You can see the coloration is steady. We just need to put it back inside there, like this, and just twist it. Keep twisting until it snags. I think I got it. So I'm not sure if you can see, but if you try to pull it out, it won't budge. So we just need to put back the plastic cover. Snag it here. Okay. Let's put this wire back on. So this prevents it from falling off. Now let's go ahead and assemble everything back together. Okay, so it's moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Now that this is done, you can see the blinking is steady, and hopefully this video will help you, and see you in the next one.